Today in this video we shall learn the general solutions of trigonometric equations. Why general solutions are required for trigonometric equation? As we know, all the trigonometric functions are periodic function. That means a particular value will not occur for any particular angle. Okay? It will be infinite number of angles. Okay? So we have to get all those angles in general form. Suppose you see this is the graph of sine. Okay, sine 0, for which angle it is 0? Minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, for all these angles sine theta is equal to 0. So generally what can you write? You see these are multiple of pi, that is theta is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z, any integer. Now if sine theta is equal to 1, for which angle it is 1? You see here pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, then it will be 9 pi by 2, and this side minus 3 pi by 2. Okay? What can you write in generally? If you divide all these coefficients of pi by 2, you see minus 3, 1, 5, 9. If you divide by 4, the remainder will be 1 in each case. So all these angles can be written in the form theta is equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z, for which values? Now if sine theta is equal to 1, then theta equal to 4n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now if sine theta is equal to minus 1, then you see from the graph it will be minus 1 for minus pi by 2, then for 3 pi by 2, again for 7 pi by 2. Okay, what can you write? Again you see the coefficients of pi by 2, that is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. If you divide these numbers by 4, you will get the remainder 3. Okay, so you can write 4n plus 3 into pi by 2. To make similar to this, you can write that 4n plus 3 also 4n minus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Okay. Now if sine theta is equal to sine alpha, you see I took this interval as alpha. Okay, so this is the length that is represent sine alpha. So if this one is sine alpha, then this value will be also equal to sine alpha, this value is also equal to sine alpha, this value is also equal to sine alpha, here also equal to sine alpha. That means the value occurs for here sine alpha, pi minus alpha, 2 pi plus alpha, again 3 pi minus alpha, minus pi minus alpha. That means you see for even multiple of pi, the angle is adding 2 pi plus alpha, 0 plus alpha, and for odd multiple of pi, the alpha is subtracting here, that is pi minus alpha, again 3 pi minus alpha. That's why if sine theta is equal to sine alpha, then theta can be written as theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n into alpha, where n belongs to z. Why? Now if n is even number, then minus 1 whole to the power even, that will be plus, and if n is odd number, that is minus 1 whole to the power odd, that will be minus. Okay. Again, the general solutions of the equation, trigonometric equations containing the function cos. Now you see this is the graph of cos theta, graph of cos. If cos theta is equal to 0, for which values of theta we can see cos theta equal to 0? You see minus 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, then pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, dot dot. That means you see the coefficient of pi by 2, 5, 3, 1, that is odd numbers. That means for odd multiples of pi by 2, cos theta is equal to 0. That's why theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Now cos theta is equal to 1. You see for which values cos theta equal to 1? You see for minus 2 pi, 0, 2 pi, then it will be 4 pi. Again see the coefficient of pi. Even numbers. So cos theta is equal to 1. So theta will be equal to 2n pi where n belongs to z. Cos theta equal to minus 1. You see, for minus pi, for pi, for 3 pi, you see the coefficient of pi again. That's our odd number. So if cos theta is equal to minus 1, then theta will be equal to 2n plus 1 into pi where n belongs to z. Similarly, if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, you see we took this, I took this angle is alpha. So this is the value of cos alpha. This is also value of cos alpha. This one is cos alpha. Okay, you see here plus alpha minus alpha. Here 2 pi plus alpha, 2 pi minus alpha. Okay, that means around the even multiple of pi plus alpha and minus alpha. So theta will be 2n pi plus alpha or 2n pi minus alpha. So generally it can be written as theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha where n belongs to z, n is an integer. General solution of the trigonometric equation containing the trigonometric function tan. You see this is the graph of tan. Okay, so for which values tan theta is equal to 0? You see, for minus 2 pi, minus pi, 0, pi, 2 pi, that means the multiples of pi, either even or odd. Okay, so theta can be, if tan theta is equal to 0, that is theta is equal to n pi where n belongs to z. Z means set of integers. And if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, you see I took this value, this angle is alpha, so this is the length which represents tan alpha. Again this is the length which represents tan alpha. You see, in every case this alpha comes to the right of either 0 or pi or 2 pi or minus pi. That means it can be generally written as theta is equal to n pi plus alpha as it occurs in right hand side of these multiples of pi where n belongs to z.